John Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Today I'm going to share with you how to draw this fun little carrot. I thought it was vegetable time, so why don't we dive in? If you have your pencils and paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson on how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Now what I'd like you to take home with this one is when you go to your supermarket with your parents, maybe ask them to pick up a vegetable or a fruit that you could take home and use as a model. And from that model, create your own fun cartoon as you just did today with this little cartoon carrot. Alright, so if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I want to say thanks. And if you haven't, make sure you hit that little button to subscribe. And as always, thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.